Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about division of polynomials. This math is intended for grade 11 and some students in education majoring mathematics. So I have here number 1, 6x squared plus 11x minus 35. Then I have the divisor, which is 2x plus 7. So for this case, I will use the long division method. This is the divisor. And then the dividend will be 6x squared plus 11x minus 35. Okay. First thing to do is I need to write the first term of the dividend and then divide by the first term of the divisor. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. By applying index laws, so x squared divided by x, that will be x. So the first quotient will be 3x. And then try to multiply the divisor. So 3x times 2x, that will be 6x squared. Then plus 3x times 7, that will be 21x. Okay, the rule is I need to change the sign of the product. So this will be negative. And then this one also negative. So this will be crossed out because 6x squared minus 6x squared, that will be 0. Then how about this one? The new sign for 21x is negative. So negative 21, then 11. So negative positive, that will be subtraction. So this will be 0, then this will be 1. Since 21 is bigger than 11, so I have to write negative sign. So this will be negative 10x. Since the divisor is in binomial form, so I need to bring down this one, negative 35. Since the first term of the new dividend is negative, so my quotient also will be negative. Again, 10x divided by the first term of the divisor, which is 2x. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then x will be crossed out. So this will be 5, and then multiply. Negative 5 times 2x, that will be negative 10x. Then negative times positive, that will be negative. 5 times 7 is 35. Again, we need to change the product. This will be positive and this will be also positive. So 10x negative, then positive 10x will be crossed out. So negative 35 and then positive 35, that will be crossed out. So the answer for 0 here. So my answer or the quotient for number 1 is 3x minus 5. Let us check if it will come up with the dividend. So the formula is quotient times the divisor is equal to dividend. So let us multiply this one. So 3x minus 5 and then 2x plus 7. So 3 times 2 is 6. This will be 6x squared. Then this one, 2x times negative 5, this will be negative 10x. Then 7 times 3x, that will be 21x. Then this will be negative 35. So bring down 6x squared. Since this is 21 and this is 10x, so positive. So 21 is bigger than 10, so this will be positive or plus sign. So 21 minus 10, that will be 11x. And then copy this, negative 35. So we come up with the dividend. So number 1 is correct. Now let's move to number 2. Number 2 is 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus minus 3x plus 8, where the divisor is x plus 2. So I will write in a long division method. So this will be 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 3x plus 8. So this is the divisor, x plus 2. Again, we need the first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. So 4 divided by 1 is 4. By applying index law, so this will be x squared, because x cubed divided by x, that will be x squared. So the first quotient is 4x squared. And then multiply. So this will be 4x squared times x, that will be x cubed. Then this will be plus 4x squared times 2, that will be 8x squared. Okay, again we have to change the sign of the product. So I have here negative, and then this one also negative. So 4x cubed minus 4x cubed, that will be crossed out. Then I have the new sign for the product, which is negative 8x squared plus 6x squared. So this will be negative 2x squared. Since this is binomial, so I need also the new dividend will be in the form of binomial. So bring down 3x. Since my first term of the new dividend is having a negative sign, so my quotient also will be negative in here. So again, divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. X squared divided by x, that will be 2x. So this will be 2x. Then this will be negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. Then negative times positive, that is negative. 2x times 2 is 4. So this will be 4x. Again, we have to change the sign of the product. So this will be positive. So this will be negative 2x squared, positive 2x squared, cross out. Then I have here negative 3x, positive 4x, that will be x. Then I need to bring down this one, positive 8. Okay, since the first term of the new dividend is positive, so this will be also positive or plus. So again, the first term of the new dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. So the same, that will be equal to 1. So this is 1. Then multiply to the divisor. 1 times x, that will be x. Then this will be plus 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, so again, need to change the sign of the product. So this will be x minus x, that will be cross out. So I have here positive 8, then minus 2. So this will be 6, positive 6. Now let us check if this is correct. Okay, 4x squared minus 2x plus 1 multiplied by the divisor. So x plus 2. Hopefully we come up this dividend. So 4x squared times x, this will be 4x cubed. Then this one minus 2x squared. Then plus x. This 2 times 4x squared, that will be 8x squared. Then 2 times negative 2x, that will be minus 4x. Then 2 times 1, that will be 2. So bring down 4x cubed. This one is plus 6x squared. This one, negative 4x plus x, this will be negative 3x. This one is 2. Since we have the remainder, so we need to add in here. Bring down 4x cubed. Then plus 6x squared minus 3x plus 8. So therefore, we come up with the dividend. So number 2 is correct. Now let's move to the last number, number 8. Number 2, no, I mean. So number 3, I have here x to the 5 minus 2x cubed plus x minus 2. Then the divisor is x plus 2. Okay, the same. I will use the long method. So divisor is x plus 2. Then this is my dividend. So since there is no x to the 4th, because the exponent should be descending power. So meaning 5, then followed by, since we don't have 4th, so I write in here 0x to the 4th. And then followed by this one, 2x cubed. Then I don't have x squared. So I will put 0x squared. And then plus x. And then minus 2. Okay. So again, I need to divide the first term of my dividend by the first term of my divisor. So apply index law. This will be x to the fourth. So this will be x to the fourth. So in here, I have x to the fourth. And then this will be plus, x to the fourth multiplied by x. This will be x to the fifth. And then plus x to the fourth times 2. This will be 2x to the fourth. Again, we have to change. Okay, so I have here, then product will be changed to negative, and then the second term also will change to negative. Then x fifth minus x fifth, that will be crossed out. And then this one bring down, since this is 0, x to the fourth, and then minus 2x to the fourth. So this will be minus 2x to the fourth, because the new sign for the product is negative. Then since this is binomial, so I need to bring down this one, minus 2x cubed. Again, need to divide by the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Since my first term of my new dividend is having a negative sign, so this will be minus. And then start dividing the new dividend, the first term, divide by the first term of the divisor. So this is 2 divided by 1, this is equal to 2. And then apply index law, so x to the fourth divided by x, that will be x cubed. So this will be 2x cubed. And then multiply to the divisor. So 2x cubed times x, this will be minus 2x to the fourth. And then minus times plus, this will be, or negative times positive, this will be negative 4x cubed. Then change the sign of the product. So this will be positive. So negative 2x to the fourth plus 2x to the fourth will be crossed out. And then I have here positive 4x cubed minus 2x cubed. So this will be 2x cubed. And then I need to bring down this one, plus 0x squared. Since my first term of my new dividend is positive, so this will be also plus. Again, divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor. So this will be 2 x cubed divided by x, that will be x squared. So I have here 2x squared. And then multiply, this will be 2x cubed. Then this will be plus 4x squared. Again, change the sign of the product. So this will be crossed out. Since this is 0, so I need to bring down this one, 4x squared. And then, since this is binomial, my divisor is binomial, so I need to bring down also this one, x. So I will write in here because I don't have space anymore. So this will be minus 4x squared plus x. So divide this one. So 4x squared. By the way, there is negative for my new dividend, and then the first term is having negative, so this will be also negative or minus. So 4x squared divided by x. So this will be 4x. So this will be 4x. And then multiply. So this will be negative 4x squared. And then plus 8x. Again, I need to change the sign of the product. So this will be positive, and this one is negative. So negative 4x squared plus 4x squared, this will be crossed out. This is negative 8x plus x, that will be minus 7x. Then need to bring down this one, the last, the constant. So since I have negative of my new dividend, so this will be minus also. Then divide 7x by the first term of the divisor. So this will be 7, because x and x will be crossed out. So this will be 7. And then multiply. So negative 7 times x, this will be negative 7x. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Again, change the sign of the product. This one will be positive. So negative 7x plus 7x cross out. Then I have here 14, positive 14 minus 2. So that is positive 12. So let us check if this is correct. Okay, quotient 2x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 7 times the divisor. So x plus 2. So this will be x to the fifth. Then minus 2x to the fourth. Then this will be plus 2x cubed. And then this one minus 4x squared. The last will be minus 7x. Now this one, 2 times x to the fourth. So this will be 2x to the fourth. Then 2 times negative 2x cubed. This will be negative 4x cubed. Then this one, 2 times 2. This will be positive 4x squared. Negative 8x. And then the last will be negative 7 times 2. That will be minus 14. Okay? So bring down x to the fifth. Okay, cross out because negative and positive, the same coefficient, the same exponent or variable. So this will be crossed out. How about this one? Negative 4x cubed and then plus 2x. So minus 2x cubed. Then this one, the same, cross out. Negative 7x. And then this one. What happened to this one? Negative 7x.